Hi, this is Adelaide coming to you live from the 2018 Hong Kong FinTech Week. I'm here with Vivek from KRISTAL.ai, the CEO and founder. How are you doing today?
Very well, very well. Having a lot of fun at the Hong Kong FinTech Week. It's been very exciting. We've got a lot of people coming to our stalls. It's been a very, very busy few days here.
So is this your first time to the Hong Kong FinTech Week?
No, we've been here every year since the founding. We are the founding member of the FinTech Association of Hong Kong. So we were there in the first one, and this is the third one, of course. But it's getting bigger every year, and as part of the FinTech industry in Hong Kong, it's very exciting to see it grow to this.
That's amazing. So how long have you been in Hong Kong then for?
I've been here off and on for 15, 20 years. The company is about 2.5 years old. We founded it in beginning of 2016. It was founded by a whole bunch of bankers. So when we went to banking, we are all kind of ex-traders. When we went to banking, banking was the exciting place to be. That was innovative, excitement, and so on and so forth. And then after the financial crisis, it was no longer an exciting place. It became boring and compliance related, etc. And then fintech is the exciting innovation place to be, and that's where we've moved to. So the entire company is formed by ex-bankers. We realized what the gaps in offerings were from existing banks, and we came in to plug those gaps.
That's amazing. So what exactly do you guys do then?
We are basically offering fund management for the masses, and we are doing it at free cost. Sign up, we'll do it for free. We are licensed in 3 countries, in Hong Kong, Singapore, and India. And our objective is to make sure that the mass people, which is, you can open an account with $5,000, that the mass amount of people can get good, tested, viable advice using AI. We use AI so that everybody can become our customer at the cheapest cost possible.
That's amazing. So you mentioned before this is sort of helping towards that goal of financial inclusion. Why do you think that's so important in this day and age?
As you know, that the rich people are always able to afford quality advice. They can get resources, but somebody with, let's say, $10,000, $20,000 is not really able to afford that, and they invariably get cheated. If there's in the global financial crisis, they're the ones who lost the money. The banks got bailed out, but the people with the mortgages actually never got any relief, and that's what happens every time. So this is where we're trying to educate the people with $20,000 and how they can invest safely, get some returns, and have money at call. They have the liquidity available.
That just sounds amazing. So you're just hoping to get in there and disrupt the banking industry?
The fund management industry, that's our intention. That's why we're launching it at free cost. Funds are charging 1% to 2%, etc. And we think technology should be an enabler to get it done much more effectively.
So what kind of technology are we talking about here?
It's everything from very basic, i.e. KYC, onboarding, where we just improve the whole, we use robotic process automation to just reduce the cost for that, to reporting, tracking, monitoring, to using AI for providing that advice. So it's all kinds of technology, from a basic relational database to machine learning to genetic algorithms to deliver the best to the customer.
That just sounds amazing. So it sounds like you guys are doing great work. I heard you entered in the competition here today. How did that go? Yeah,
well, we've been winning a lot of competition. We were in the Vizag finals last month. We went to India in Visakhapatnam. We were in the Hong Kong FinTech Week. We came third. So we've been doing pretty well in terms of competitions, but it's the customer that we're looking for, and once we get some traction on the customers, that's what it is that really rewards us.
That's amazing. And you're in 3 locations at the moment. Do you hope to expand that soon?
Yes, we are now going with Ping An Soft Landing Accelerator into China. We are actually also open an office in Dubai. So we are, we are in multiple locations, and now it depends on how we get traction in each location for us to kind of really go out and serve the people. Yeah.
That's amazing. It sounds like you're really hitting those main financial hubs to try and get in there and disrupt the banking industry at the moment.
Yeah, that's the intention. That's the plan, and let's see. The next 6 to 8 months is going to be critical, and that's what we're looking at.
So in your Hong Kong office at the moment, how many people do you have, and how do you hope that kind of grows?
Well, we have about 40 people totally across all centers. We have a software hub in India to keep costs down, because ultimately we can't offer free products unless we have lower costs. We have 5-6 people in Hong Kong. We have another 5-6 in Singapore. So those are the people who kind of talk to the customers. But like I said, our intention is to keep costs and infrastructure low. We don't want to be We don't want our customers to be paying for our office space and our buildings. We want customers to be getting the best service possible, and that technology enables it. So we are mobile, we have mobile apps on desktop, and we expect not to be spending on salaries and infrastructure, but on customer offerings.
That's amazing. So it sounds like you guys are doing great work. For anyone out there who wants to find out more about you, where can they go to find out more?
KRISTAL.ai. We are on Google Apps. We are on Android. We are on iOS. That's a QR code. You can't get it from there, but just look. You can follow me on LinkedIn. I'm quite active there. Please download the app and see what happens.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for your time. And anyone else who's still following Hong Kong FinTech Week, please subscribe down below, and we'll keep you posted. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.